Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to display the division of two numbers as a percentage in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to take the division of two numbers like we have here in column A and display them as a percentage like we have here in column B.
Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that.
So if I click here in cell B2 and I type equals 95 divided by 66, and then I hit enter, I will be returned with this number right here. And it says 1.439, etc. So if I wanted this to be displayed as a percent, I can just click on this cell right here, go to the home ribbon, go over here under number, and change this to percentage. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. Now when I change this to percentage, I have a couple decimal places after the percent itself. If I would like to get rid of those, I can also go back here to number and pick this second option to decrease the decimal. So I'm just going to click that twice, and I can now see that the percentage is being rounded. So then I can do the same thing here, equals 28 over 14, and down here for equals 62 over 42. Now I'm just going to highlight both these cells and do the same thing. Go over here to percentage, and then take down a couple of those decimal places. So there are some other methods for doing this, and we go over those on our blog. And I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.